A day in my life. I am Danilo Puga. I 30 years old. My darling routine always wake up at 5:30 a.m. Then I take a shower in the bathroom and get dressed to at a quarter to 6 a.m. After that, I preparate everything to leave from work at 6:25 a.m. I, I brush my teeth and at 6:30 a.m. I leave my house and drive to work in my car. I arrive to work at a quarter to 7 a.m. because I am a sales supervisor. At 7 a.m., I have a meeting with my sales team to plan today. Then at 8 a.m., I have breakfast and work. From 9 to 5 a.m. I five from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I go to do field work, visiting clients and checking sales. At 5 p.m. to return to office, review to sales volume and organization reports. Finally, at 8 p.m. to back to home. Thank you.